When we talk about the deep inner healing, there is one subtle challenge that often goes unspoken. Wounded masculine energy in a female, held within a womb space. It can quietly shape a relationship, self image, even a life's direction. But here's the motivating truth: healing this wounded masculine and female dynamics is not only possible, it can be beautifully transformative. In today's video, we will explore how to release wounded masculine energy in a woman, restore balance, and ultimately reconnect with your genuine feminine essence. Hey there, and welcome back to the sacred corner of the internet, where we dive into heart centered healing and spiritual growth. Today, we are shining the light in the concept of wounded masculine energy in a female. We will uncover how imbalances in our womb, the seat of creation, can echo into difficulties in relationships, self worth, and personal power. That disharmony often stems from adopting wounded masculine traits for survival in a patriarchal world. Traits like constant striving for competition, using sexuality as a tool for validation. These patterns leave many women feeling disconnected, depleted, and question the true essence. And more importantly, we will explore the practice you can use to harmonize your wounded feminine and masculine energies, opening a path forward of magnetic self-confidence and deep inner peace. The womb is often referred as a sacred energetic center, a container of every encounter we have had with the masculine energy through our lives. These imprints can carry nurturing warmth or traumatic hurts. When it comes to wounded masculine energy in a woman, it is frequently rooted in early life experiences. For example, distant or aggressive father figures, toxic teenager relationships, sexual trauma, or cultural messaging that taught us to guard our hearts. This creates internal chaos. A woman operating for wounded masculine energy might focus on external achievements, often at expense of her inner rhythms and well-being. Her womb becomes a space of emptiness, reflecting patterns of suppression and survival passed down through generations. Over time, these wounds can create wounded masculine and feminine imbalances, making it tough to trust, to feel safe, or to truly open oneself to love. Unless we bring gentle awareness to these patterns, they can keep us locked in the cycle of emotional pain and unfulfilling needs, repeating the same destructive relationship dynamics we are trying to escape. Let's be real. Beginning the journey to heal the wounded masculine energy in a female can feel daunting, like you're trying to straight up a room only to find it upside down the next day. But it isn't about perfection, it's about patience and consistency. Healing involves acknowledging the internalized patterns of chaos and disconnection from our feminine essence. This might feel like you're exposing layers of survival mechanisms, like using beauty or sexuality as a mask, only to discover a deep longing underneath for authentic connection to safety. Every little step forward, no matter how small, helps you transmute this old wounded feminine and masculine imprints into vibrant harmony. You might shed some tears, you might toss your journal across the room on a tough day. That is all part of it. Healing can be wild, emotional ride, but it's also profoundly liberating. So how we start healing wounded masculine energy in a woman? Try incorporating these 4 steps. Number 1, clearing the womb's energy. Embrace wound clearing rituals, meditation, breath work, or energy healing sessions. This practice helps you to release trapped pain from your sacred energetic center and recalibrate your energetic field. In clearing your womb, you create space to release inherited burdens of wounded masculine, patterns of striving for competition, and emotional disconnection that no longer serves your essence. Number 2, balancing the wounded feminine and masculine energies. Healing the relationship between the wounded masculine and feminine involves constantly inviting a divine masculine presence into your self-healing, visualizing warmth and safe protection, replacing the wounds of your heart and womb. Number 3, healing the inner child. Often these wounds trace back to childhood, Through inner child work, you rewrite those foundational experiences and allow trust to grow where fear once lived. Number 4, rebuilding trust in masculine, seeking out examples of healthy masculine energy in friends, family, or mentors. Absorbing and experiencing positive models gently rewires your perception and help you establish a sense of safety around the masculine. As you embrace this process, you begin to heal wounded masculine energy in females. You will also strengthen a bond with your own feminine power. If you haven't watched the video about feminine power, I'll put the link here. This journey allows you to move beyond survival patterns and rediscover the softness, intuition, and creativity flow of your own divine feminine. It is about reconnecting with your essence, letting go of the armor you have built, and welcoming in the healing of your heart and womb. It is like peeling away the layers of protection and to reveal the glowing magnetic essence underneath. You will start to attract different kinds of relationships, opportunities, and experiences, ones that reflect the harmony you have cultivated inside. Healing the wounded masculine and feminine is a sacred reclamation of your wholeness, allowing you to step forward as your most authentic, readiest self. Thank you so much for being here and joining me today. If you found this insightful, meaningful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on empowerment and spiritual healing. Feel free to share your own healing experience of the wounded masculine energy in a woman and harmonizing wounded feminine and masculine energies. Remember, each step you take here moves you closer to true essence of your radiant self. Sending you so much love. Until next time.